Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 2 Simulation Training. So open the Chapter 2 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 2 simulation training, click the launch. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So open the simulation training. There is a Excel chapter 2 simulation training. So total question is 10 and Excel chapter 2 simulation training. So we move to the main project step is question number 1. So question number 1 is in cell D8 create a formula to subtract the value in cell C8 from cell B8. In cell D8, so select the D8 and type is equal to C8, sorry, B8 minus C8 percenters, and next is copy the formula and cell D8 to the range D9 to D12. So copy the formula D9 to D12, D9 to D12. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in cell F8 create a formula to divide the value in cell E8 by cell B5 using the relative reference in cell F8. So type the F8 and press enter. So select the cell is F8 and create the formula to divide the value E8 by cell B5. So type is equal to and select the cell E8 divided by B5. B5 and using the relative reference and press F4 buttons and press enter. Next is copy the formula F8 to F12. So copy the formula F9 to F12 and next is look at cell F9 and then undo the action copying the formula uses the relative reference. So look the F9 and undo the actions, sorry, F9 and undo the actions, and next is added the rate per period formula in cell F8 by making the B5 an absolute cell reference and copy the formula. So select the B5 and press F4 button, absolute cell reference and press enter. Next is copy the formula. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter a formula in cell H8, calculate the PMT period of for the first loan by multiplying the years by the PMTS per year and using the mixed cell reference for the cell containing the PMT per year. Type is equal to G8 multiplied by B5. So select the H8 percenters, type is equal to and G8 multiplied by B5. Select the B5 and apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button, B5 and dollar sign and press enter. Next is Copy the formula in cell H8 down the PMT periods column to the range H9 to H12. So copy the formula H9 to H12. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the auto sum features to enter the sum B8, B12 in cell B16 to calculate the total value of the houses. So select the B16s and press enter. Type is equal to and type the sum function. So type the sum function and range is B8 to B12. Close bracket and press enter. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is use the auto sum on the formula tab to enter the average B8 to B12 in cell B70 to calculate the average value of the houses. So type the B70 and press enter. Type is equal to and type the average function. Sorry, type the average function and ranges B8 to B12 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. So question number 5 is complete and question number 6 is use the insert function command to the left formula bar to search for the median functions and use the function to arguments dialog box to select the range B8 to B12 to enter the median B8 to B12 in cell B18. Calculate the median value of the houses. So insert the function median function in cell B18. So type the B18, press enter. Type is equal to type the median function and range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is use the auto sum arrows on the formula tab to enter the minimum B8 to B12 in cell B19 to identify the lowest costing house in cell B19 and press enter. So type is equal to and type the minimum function and range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Next is use the AutoSum arrow on the formula tab to enter the max function B8 to B12 and cell B20 to identify the highest costing house in cell B20 and press enter. So type is equal to and type the maximum function and range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Next is on the detail worksheets in the cell B21, enter the COUNTIF functions using the range B8 to B12 in the function arguments. So in cell B21, type is equal to and type the count functions and range is B8 to B12 close bracket and press enter. Next is type the value in cell B9, note the aggregate the function and calculated the automatically updated. So B9, type the B9 and press enter and type the value 425 and 30 press enter. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is question number 8 is insert the lookup function x lookup in cell G9 on the payment info worksheet calculator to APR. So select the G9, type the G9, press enter and copy the formula and paste the formula in cell G9, type is equal to and press enter. Next is copy the function in cell G9 to the range G10 to G13. So copy the formula G9 to G13. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert the financial function in the PMT functions in cell H9 to calculate the monthly payments. So select the H9 and press enter and insert the PMT functions G9 B5 F9 multiplied by B5 minus D9. So type is equal to and type the PMT functions and select the cell G9 divided by B5 PMT per years B5 and apply the absolute cell reference and next is type a comma F9 years multiplied by B5 B5 press F4 buttons type comma minus D9 and close bracket and press enter. Sorry, copy the formula and paste the formula in cell H9, press enter. Next is copy the function to the range H10 to H13. Copy the formula. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is insert the if statement in cell I9 to determine if percentage down is the greater than 20% down PMT rates. If true is PMI is 0. If false is PMI calculated the multiply the amounts financed by the PMI rates and divided by the PMTs per year. The function should be type is equal to if and E9 greater than is equal to B7 0 and B9 multiplied by B6 divided by B5 in cell I9. So select the I9, type is equal to and type the if functions and next is E9 greater than is equal to B7 B7 and press F4 button, type 0 and select the D9 multiplied by B6, apply the absolute cell reference and next is divided by B5 payment per years and apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button, close bracket and press enter. Next is copy the function I9 to range I10 to I13. So copy the formula I10 to I13. So question number 10 is complete. So please click and OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So submit the assignments and check the scores. Check the scores. Excel chapter 2 simulation training is 100%. So I will guarantee you are 95 or 100% grades your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam and complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So check the score is 100%. all assignment is 100%.